If you've ever tried cooking for a big family or doing meal prep for the week, you already know the struggle. Multiple batches, long cooking times, and a sink full of pots afterward. It's frustrating, and honestly, it makes cooking feel like more work than it should be. That's exactly the kind of problem the kilogorge pressure cooker 10 quart is built to solve. This is a large capacity stovetop pressure cooker designed for families, bulk cooks, and anyone who wants to cook more food in less time without sacrificing quality. It promises faster cooking, safer operation, and enough space to handle everything from daily meals to canning projects. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the size stands out. This is a 10-quart cooker, so it's clearly built for bigger tasks. But despite the larger capacity, it doesn't feel awkward to handle. The stainless steel body gives it a solid, durable feel, and it has that clean, professional look that fits well in most kitchens. It's not flashy, but it feels reliable. The handles are sturdy and give you a good grip, which matters when you're moving something this size. The one-hand locking lid is one of the more practical features here. Instead of struggling with alignment or forcing the lid into place, you can lock it with a simple twist and lift. It feels smooth and secure, which makes the whole experience less intimidating, especially if you've had trouble with traditional pressure cookers before. The build quality overall feels designed for long-term use, and the stainless steel doesn't react with acidic foods, so you don't have to worry about affecting taste. In terms of performance, this cooker really shines when you're dealing with larger quantities. Cooking big batches of rice, beans, or soups becomes much more efficient because you're doing everything at once instead of in multiple rounds. Tough cuts of meat cook faster and come out tender, and you can switch between 10 psi and 15 psi depending on what you're making. That flexibility actually makes a difference, especially if you're cooking a variety of dishes regularly. In everyday use, it's surprisingly manageable for something this size. Once you understand how to control the heat on your stove, it becomes pretty straightforward. It's also quieter than some older pressure cookers, which is a nice bonus. You still get the usual pressure release sound, but it feels controlled rather than aggressive. Cleaning isn't complicated either. The stainless steel interior doesn't hold on to food too much, and a quick wash is usually enough unless you're cooking something particularly heavy. The biggest advantage here is capacity. If you're cooking for a large family, hosting gatherings, or doing weekly meal prep, this saves a lot of time and effort. The safety features also add peace of mind, especially with multiple pressure release systems working together. And the fact that it works on different stovetops, including induction, makes it flexible for different kitchens. That said, the size can also be a downside. If you're cooking for just one or two people, this will feel like overkill. It takes up more storage space, and it's not as convenient for smaller meals. Like all stovetop pressure cookers, it also requires attention. You can't just set it and walk away. And while the build is solid, it leans more toward functional than premium in terms of finish. Compared to other pressure cookers in this price range, this one stands out mainly for its size and versatility. Smaller models are easier to store, but don't offer the same efficiency for bulk cooking. Higher-end brands might offer slightly better finishing or branding, but they often come at a much higher cost without drastically improving performance. This one focuses on practicality and volume, which is exactly what a lot of users need. So who is this really for? If you're cooking for a family, doing meal prep, or interested in canning and preserving food, this makes a lot of sense. It's built to handle larger workloads and save time in the process. But if you're cooking smaller portions or want something compact and hands-off, you might want to consider a smaller or electric option. If this helped you decide whether this pressure cooker fits your needs, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more honest, practical reviews. And if you're ready to cook more food in less time without juggling multiple pots, check out the link in the description and see if this one works for your kitchen.